Grand Suite, Deck 11, 260. Look at this entryway. It's magnificent. There's a huge closet, and a mini bar with a cabinet that has safe in it and storage, lots of drawer space, and we get a bowl of fruit, and we even have a refrigerator. Now, if you look at this grand suite, there is a spacious sitting area with a couch, 2 chairs, and a coffee table. And we have a huge big screen television with a cabinet underneath. But while we're right here in this huge hallway, take a quick peek at our washroom. It has double sinks. It has a huge bathtub with a really nice shower. And plenty of storage area under the sinks. There's drawers, there's all kinds of goodies.
Go again.
Now we also, to the right, have our bedroom area. So we have a huge bed, a dressing area with some makeup mirrors and a little bit of our equipment getting charged up. But we have great pillows. Most of them are good. A couple of them are pretty soft. And we have a great big picture window. If you can see, we have some chaise lounges. And we have a view of our next door neighbor, the Carnival Glory. But we're a much bigger and better ship. Oasis of the Seas. We also have another sitting area on our balcony with some tables, a small table and a dining table, and also a side table. Of NASA's construction. And the piers that are being built. And that's it. That's our suite, grand suite, 1-bedroom grand suite on Oasis of the Seas. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you listen to what Dennis has to say.
Please subscribe. We need your subscriptions to help us keep going. It costs you nothing. And make sure you give us thumbs up and ring that little bell so you get reminded every time we're here. Remember, smooth sailing and happy vacations to everyone.